The advantages of zero down investing and how you can get involved right away. And this is for beginners and experienced investors. Today, I'm going to make a case for why zero down investing strategies are superior to any other form of investing when it comes to real estate. If you're thinking of getting into real estate in 2023 for the first time, or if you've been beating your head against the wall for years, this video is for you. Work smarter, not harder. The most successful real estate investors have mastered a concept called leverage, and that's why they keep doing deals consistently. When you're new to real estate, this may be difficult to attain because you've been told you need time, capital, and maybe a little bit of luck to get off on the right foot. A lot of what you think you need is unnecessary. You don't need a ton of time to build a multi-million-dollar portfolio. You also don't need a ton of financial resources to acquire these deals that I'm about to walk you through. And you certainly don't need luck to succeed. My name is Joe Crump, and I've been utilizing zero down strategies for investing in real estate for close to 40 years. I've been able to build a multi-million-dollar real estate business and have helped countless others succeed without having to go the traditional route of bank financing. You don't need a ton of time or cash, and I'm going to explain why. But before we get into it, here are some case studies of some of my millionaire students. Dan Riegel from Illinois created his first $1 million in equity in less than 2 years from the time he joined my mentor program. Brad Pickett from Idaho bought 14 houses worth $2 million in 6 months. Shelley Fauner from Indiana built a seller-financed portfolio of 73 income-producing properties worth millions of dollars in less than 3 years. What these folks have is a blueprint that I've given them that allows them to not only acquire properties quickly, but to do so without having to borrow money from the bank, raise private capital, or put any of their own money into the deal. They simply leverage other people's money, time, and their knowledge of how to structure the deal to maximize their returns while also helping others solve their real estate problems in the process. Zero down strategies like mine are anything but predatory. You are, in fact, creating a win-win situation for both you as the investor and the seller. You're helping them financially while also nurturing a relationship that will aid in your success. Real estate doesn't have to be complicated, and if you come to this with the right knowledge and skills, you'll have people handing over their properties to you without you even having to ask. Yes, zero down investing strategies are the way to go, especially in 2023, given the current climate. The advantages of zero down investing. It doesn't require a big cash investment to get started. When you use creative finance strategies like Subject 2, you're not using any of your own capital to acquire properties. You work directly with sellers to structure zero down deals. Your tenants or buyers fund the deal for you. It doesn't require you going through a traditional lender or bank. You don't have to be at the mercy of rising interest rates. You can take over low interest existing loans or use the for rent method, and I'll show you exactly how this works, to buy real estate without a lender. And would you like to find out how to buy houses today in 2023 with 0% interest? I'll show you how to do it. It means my houses pay off in 10 years instead of 30. It doesn't require a lot of your time. Once you do your first few deals, you can automate your business and extract yourself from the work. I develop software for my students that allow you to create a never-ending stream of motivated seller leads and get deals done on autopilot. It allows you to build a massive asset base. You get to build a 7 or 8 figure portfolio of properties that will give you true financial freedom. I show you how to do this with my system that I call the Millionaire Matrix. It's recession proof. Once you learn how to invest, you'll never need a regular job again. And when inflation hits, your assets go up in value and your rent income increases. That makes it pretty easy to pay that extra 50 cents a gallon at the pump. And I'm not just talking about combating inflation. I'm talking about artificial intelligence and other emerging technologies that are knocking so many people out of work. No matter what's on the horizon, people are always going to need a place to live. I detail exactly how this all works in my presentation that I've titled How to Make $1 Million in 2 Years. Go to this link, it's free. This is my investing framework. What I do inside my mentor program is walk you through the 6 pillars designed to help you take full advantage of zero down strategies. The first pillar is the for rent method. This is your first zero down system that allows you to make money immediately without using your own cash or credit, simply by flipping lease option deals. You get in and out of the deal quickly, pocket some money, and then you move on to the next one. I want you to hit that first milestone as quickly as possible, so you're making offers on real estate within your first week in my mentor program. The second pillar of your training is the hierarchy of zero down structures. This includes every zero down structure you'll ever need. I'll teach you when, why, and how to use them. Every real estate transaction is going to have different circumstances that'll affect the outcome of the deal. You'll learn all these creative finance strategies, so you'll never have to worry about losing another deal ever again. The third pillar is the push button method. This is how you put your business on autopilot and extract yourself from the day-to-day work. You'll get access to my turnkey software that automates your lead generation and follow-up with the push of a button. Instead of you working for your business will start working for you. The fourth pillar is the stupid proof training system. If you follow my training, you can't screw it up because I give you step-by-step instructions. All you have to do is follow them exactly and you'll see results. The fifth pillar is the safety net method. I'll show you how to structure your business so you can protect your assets and lower your taxes. I'll also cover non-recourse financing and how to set up a tax real estate investing retirement account so you never have to pay income taxes. Yeah, this is possible and 100% ethical and legal. And finally, the sixth pillar is the millionaire matrix. This is where I show you how to build a portfolio with $1 million of real estate equity in 2 short years. You'll integrate everything I teach so you can scale your business predictably and consistently without fail. This blueprint is the exact blueprint my successful students have used and continue to use in 2023 to become successful. I lay it all out for you, and the best thing is I work with you personally to ensure that you hit the goals you set for yourself. Why you should join my mentorship program. My mentor program, the Zero Down Investing Accelerator, has created more real estate millionaires than anyone else in this industry. I give you everything you need to succeed. You get the blueprint, the know-how, the frameworks, the systems, and even the automations you need. All you have to do is show up and put in the work. You should join my mentor program because it'll save you countless hours of trial and error, years of guesswork, and even expensive pitfalls that you could have otherwise avoided. I will personally be there to hold your hand step by step. I've already experienced the ups and downs of this business. You don't have to make the same mistakes I made. Leverage the advantages of zero down deals to the fullest, and you won't have problems creating a lasting wealth in a relatively short period of time, especially in a turbulent economy like the one we're currently experiencing. My name is Joe Crump, and I've been a real estate investor and mentor for close to 40 years. When I started, I built a $17 million real estate business in 3 years, starting from scratch. In 1991, I lost it all because of wishful thinking and stupid but common mistakes. Unfortunately, I still see investors make these same mistakes every day. My ignorance and hubris trashed my credit, emptied my bank account, and caused me a great deal of humiliation. With no money and no credit, I had to start over from scratch. I needed a new way to invest because banks wouldn't touch me. That's when I developed the pillars of the Zero Down investing framework that I teach and use to this day. Over the years, I've trained hundreds of people in my techniques and led them to real estate success. If you'd like to take advantage of the Zero Down investing strategies I teach, book in a call here. Here's the link. You should also take a look at this income earnings disclaimer. It's required by the FTC to explain pitfalls that might happen in any business endeavor. All right, good luck to you.